You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola. You're not a cow.
Right?
Yeah.
Learn about in school.
Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr. What'd he do?
He died for our sins.
No, that was...
This poor little guy couldn't hold on. This police officer did not like how fast this biker was going. It sounds like this dog is about to charge into battle. This teacher told his students that the only way they could get extra credit is if they walked on water.